This video is sponsored by Coles. Yay, we're sponsored by Coles. Jokes, it's an abandoned church. Look how overgrown these steps are. They're so cool. Whoa, is that closed? There's a tiny crack in the wall there. Let's get a shot inside. Whoa, it's Shrek beyond belief. Okay, this is an inside view. Just inside one of the halls type areas. We can't get in. Whoa, let's see. Wow, doesn't look like I can get in, but it's still very interesting. Looks like it's all boarded up. Hey, what's this say? Flip this over. Some type of thing. Yay, broken asbestos everywhere. Who could wish for anything else? Some large building there, it's pretty sick. In this hall here is homeless houses. Hopefully you can see there are shopping trolleys full of heaps of stuff. There's like some makeshift bed. I don't think it's been used in a while though, but yeah, it's pretty fatal.
The historical power tool that is Google Street View strikes again. This is what the church looked like in 2007, 2009, as of the time of filming in 2015, and in 2018.
Here is a funky shot of a trash toilet at the church.
As well as some other alternative angles of other parts of the old Frankston Presbyterian church. At least that's what I thought it was. Anyway, here's some more Franger footage.
It's like the closed down Savers. You can actually smell some lovely musty smell coming out of there, like a classic op shop smell. Savers. What's this? Okay, we're in the middle of like a forest and there's just this like Commodore here, and as you can see there's like a full-on forest there. There's no way you could have driven through that. There's no way you could have driven through that or that or that. Like there's definitely road remnants, but there's not been a road here for many years. Just so weird. And it's like still open and stuff, and the little alarm light thing still flashes. It still flashes. It's just really odd. What is it doing here? How did it even get here? There's like little sticks and stuff in there, but it's not like overly moldy or anything. This is so fatal. You can actually turn the headlights on. Look. Look. They're on. I'm really worried that this is just some person's car, but it's just so weird. Oh look, the whole console lit up, Floyd. The whole console is lit up.
Let's see.
It's just really odd.